Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can choose skin tones from person to another person. So I'm going to copy the skin tone from this girl to this. So let's get started. So first, you need to unlock this background, as always. And then choose the color picker or eyedropper tool, simply. And then choose this girl's face or forehead color. And you need to choose this brush tool. So you need to also size this brush like to 28 pixels and hardness to 100. So once you guys have done that, you need to click on this layer button or plus icon here, and the layer has been added. Now you can simply click here like that and go back to the person that you wanted to copy the skin tone. So do the same thing. So copy its skin tone from forehead and come back to this photo and choose brush tool one again. Then once again, you need to create a new layer and then drag this layer down. And this time you need to overlap this layer, just like that. Now select this layer 1, and instead of normal, you need to do is subtract, just like that. Now once you guys have done this, you need to select layer 0 and go ahead and select and choose this color range. So yours should be on sample color, so you should choose skin tones from here, and make sure to put this fuzziness as 10% or 20%. It's up to you. So I'm going to choose 10% and press on OK, and you can see that the Photoshop already select this. Now hit on this adjustment tool and you need to choose solid color. You will need to use this eyedropper tool, and this time you will need to select this in between color, just like that. And you can see the girl's face has been gone like that. So press on OK, and from normal you need to choose I think you should choose like color dust for this purpose. All right, so now you can also transform from here by playing with this feather. So you can see the effect of this feather is going on right now. I guess it's good to use like 6.9px in this photo. So I think I'm happy with this color. So you can see before and after effect of this photo. So once you guys are happy with this manipulation, you can just disable layer 1 and 2 and then just hit on file, export, and export as PNG. Well, this is how you should copy some skin tones, and it's that simple. Thank you so much for watching.